need some cutters?
Yeah, we're sourcing it. And then with this piece, power of love, the power of love, power of love, the world around. The power of love, the power of love, power of love. Cardboard. Cardboard has an insulative value of R3 or R4 per inch. So say R3.5, right? Fiberglass insulation has, let's see, for a 5.5-inch bay, it has R19. So 5 times 3.5.
4 times 3.5. 17.5.
3.5 times 5. Plus a half. So like, this is the same insulative value of fiberglass. Why are we buying fiberglass? This was free and it's the same.
I see.
Yeah. So, yeah.
Yeah.
Can you do the first one? The first layer so they can see?
First layer?
Yeah. Like, that's like the second
Yeah,
one.
just do a triangle for everyone.
Yeah.
Like there's only something on the bottom. So what do we do with that?